welcome all of you for another session of IT Biz Talk. IT Biz Talk is a platform mainly for small and medium-sized business owners to listen and engage with experts to drive their businesses to achieve rapid business growth. Today, we are going to present another very important IT biz solution that small and medium-sized business owners or even large business entities should focus. Our topic for today is maximization of Shopify platform to achieve rapid business growth. When you look at the online shopping or the global e-commerce sales, totaled to approximately $1.5 trillion US in 2021. By looking at this chart, you can see that it will be increasing up to 7.6 trillion by 2026 based on Shopify information. That's why today we are witnessing that more business entities are stepping to the e-commerce platform to higher business growth. This has accelerated to the peak due to the COVID pandemic, which the world has experienced, and continue to maintain the similar growth momentum. By looking at the global e-commerce software, Shopify is a user-friendly, leading e-commerce platform that helps small businesses to build an online store and sell online through one streamlined dashboard. Business entities can build a modern online store and sell online social media sites, seller marketplaces, other blogs, website via email, text, and chats. Current market dynamics, we can see that small and medium-sized businesses in UK and worldwide are utilizing Shopify to expand their businesses, but fail to seamlessly integrate different IT systems and to automate the sales process. As we can witness that their growth momentum is curtailed. I am sure you all are excited to see how to maximize the Shopify platform that you are already having or plan to use to achieve rapid business growth. Now, I will invite our expert to share the insight of this. He is Lumin. He is Microsoft 365 functional consultant and Instagram group. Hello, Lumin. It's a pleasure to have you again. I'm sure you're all excited to present this very important solution to our business owners who are present here today. Over to you, Lumin.
Thank you, Suranjit. When you take about the current e-commerce platform market has been growing due to, as Suranjit said, because of the COVID pandemic. And there was a boost in that market because most of the businesses were able to physically involve with the customers and work accordingly. So most have gone with the online trading. So in the online system, even if you get a Shopify or the online site from the marketplace and you store it, but there was no any integration between the ERP system, which is handling your business finance and your supply chain and the order management side in the online platform. So this Microsoft has come up with a solution which enhance the performance between Shopify and Business Central. So they have come up with a connector which connects the Business Central and the Shopify side. So the business value out of this Dynamics 365 the Shopify connector. So Dynamics 365 Business Central is teaming up with Shopify to help our customer to create better online shopping experience. So when you take Shopify, Shopify provides merchants an easy e-commerce solution, which the merchants can come in and order their goods from the site. Even at the same time, Business Central offers a comprehensive business management across the sales, services, and operation teams in a single application. So from the connector, what they have done is seamlessly connecting between the two systems and to synchronize orders, stock, customer information, and to ensure that the merchants can fulfill the order faster and better serve their customers. Let's see the features of this Shopify connector. So the feature details, it adapts faster since connecting Dynamics 365 Business Center with Shopify will help the merchants around the world to implement agile, more online business processes while keeping people focusing on sync. So once they adapt this connector, so it's easy to use. You just have to go to the extension marketplace and download it and configure it according to your business model and use it. So the sellers can rapidly, or the sales team can continuously can engage with the customers and enhance the number of orders, and number of performance. Then performance better. So enhance operational efficiency not only saves you the times or the reduced cost, because like through the Shopify connector, it reduces the time of repetitive work and the manual work at the same time. So a user can only has to go and see only one system. They don't have to go and see on multiple systems. So work smarter. So it will, as I previously said, it will eliminate every manual processes, and it will improve the accuracy of the people, and it will allow the sales team to focus on customers itself. And at the same time, it will give the business centers visibility on stock and customer stocks, orders, and the fulfillment details and the pricing in the Shopify end as well. Next of all, we'll check on the Shopify connecting features. So the main Shopify connecting features are multiple Shopify shops connected to the same business center. Right. So let me demonstrate this. So multiple shop means if you are having an organization around which is working with multiple countries, like so your company is on UK, but you are having shops around the world. So sometimes it might be on Germany, Italy, or another country. So in here, what you can do is through this multiple Shopify shop connection, it will allow you to create multiple shops inside one ERP. So let me demonstrate that. In here, so this is the Shopify platform. So it's work as an extension here. So when I go to the shop, you can create another shop to another company, another country. So you can add the Shopify shop URL here and enable and the other details as well. So you should have the token here to proceed with it. So currently we can have a shop to the respective country and with the token and details, and the order or the items can be synchronized based on that. Right. Before proceeding, but I will gonna delete this site for now. Yeah. So the next point, synchronization of inventory level. At the same time, bidirectional synchronization of item and products. So when I take bidirectional synchronization of item and product, it means Shopify allows this Shopify Connect allows us to sync items from Shopify into Business Central at the same time, and it allows us to sync items from Business End to Shopify end as well. So this process is only based on the customer's scenarios and the customer's requirements. So let me showcase the scenario. If I go to the current Shopify shop cart, if you see item product synchronization. So in here, there's two things you can do. Either you can sync items from to Shopify side, or you can sync item to Business Central. So selecting to Shopify means you are syncing items from Business Central to Shopify end. So in this scenario, the customer doesn't have an existing Shopify site, so he's newly building it. So whatever the items details such as pricing, inventory, and other item images or attributes, likewise the details required to be synced to the Shopify end. You don't have to repetitively again go and bulk upload the details into Shopify. You just have to connect it from here. Or either on the next scenario, from the Shopify site to Business Central, some customers might have existing system Shopify sites. So due to that, they might be new to Business Central. So they might be using bulk uploads to upload every item to the Business Central link. You don't have to worry about it. You can use this from to Shopify method to sync the items from this Shopify into Business Central. Let me demonstrate one scenario, the first scenario which I have configured here to Shopify. Right. I'll go to the products. Here, I'll go to process and I'm going to add an item here. So this is my shop. Let me select, I'm going to select this item. So here you can select whether to sync images or inventory board, right? So I'm proceeding with it. Okay, now the details has been updated and the job queue is currently running, still on process. Okay, so we'll go back to Shopify site and we'll refresh it and see. Here, the item which is on Business Central has been synchronized to the Shopify site. So you can see the images has been populated. At the same time, the pricing and the details related to SKU as well. So that's one way mechanism of doing integrating the items into from Business Central Shopify end. Right. Let's move on to the next point, bi-directional synchronization of customers. So when you take customers, customers are there on two ways. There are customers in Shopify, there are customers in Business Central. But in here, what we can configure is we can configure into the both sides. We can configure, we can get the customers from Business Central and pull it to Shopify, or either we can get the customers from Shopify and then pull it to Business Central. In here, the customer importing, you can have a couple of methods. So either you can import the customer from an order. Once the order is happening, only the respective details related to that order or the customer details will be populated here, or you can pull up all the customers. Currently, we have configured as with the order import, or otherwise, if you put it none, what will happen? So there will be a default customer name as cash or retail. So that customer's detail will be updated accordingly based on the customer's detail which they have put on the Shopify site. At the same time, there's a smart mapping which is happening on Business Central configuration. Like if an existing customer comes back and place an order under their name, it will check the email and the phone number to see whether the customer is existing or new. Based on that, it will create a new customer in Business Central and Shopify, and it will import with the order to Business Central. Right. So let's demonstrate with it, and to that, I'm gonna demonstrate the order process as well. Okay, let's go to Business Central. Sorry, Shopify. Yeah, I'm gonna create an order. I'm gonna select the item. Yes. Right. So we are gonna purchase 2 out of it. And here, either the Shopify might have the existing customers as well, or either you can create one, but mostly customers has to add their details here. So I'm going to create a new customer. Yeah, let me add the phone number. Right. Okay, I'll save the customer. Right, now the customer has been created. So either we can add a discount here. I'll add a percentage discount. I'm giving 10%. And the shipping details as well. So you share. Right. So from here, I'm gonna make it as mark as pay. Okay, now the order has been created and its status is unfulfilled. Let's go back to Business Central and sync the order to Business Central 10. Let's go to orders. The last order is 1058. This is 1059. Process, and I'm going to sync the orders from Shopify into Central. Okay, now 1059 order has populated here. If you can see on the top, right? It's a new customer created, 130, right? At the same time, the item details, which is populated here, item number, item description, the pricing and everything. And the shipping charges amount, which is 35 pounds, is updated, and the subtotal and the discount amount, all those details are updated here. And we have allowed the Shopify shop to create automatic orders from the Shopify order to a sales order. Okay, let's quickly proceed with the fulfillment here. Right. In the sales order itself, you can see the sales user can identify whether this order is coming from the e-commerce platform, that is Shopify side. So there's a separate order number here on the header level. At the same time, there's the order details are updated in the line level as well. And it shows the GHL or the shipping method, shipping carrier, which we are going to use, which customer have selected in the Shopify order. Okay, so I'll quickly proceed to warehouse shipment here. Need to pick. Okay, now the shipment is ready. Now I'm going to select the shipping agent and their service code, the shipment method code. Then I will be going back to the sales order to update the package tracking ID. So using to another extension, you can automatically populate this package tracking ID and other details as well. So for now, I'm going to use this method. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to pause the shipment from here. Okay. Okay. Now the shipment has been posted. Let's go back to the order. But yet the fulfillment is yet. So let me show the last. We have to send the fulfillment information to Shopify. Okay. At the same way, you can go to the orders. From here, then you can go to the process and you can select sync shipment to Shopify. From here, you can select the last order, which has the sales order which came through the Shopify connector, and press OK. Right. So now let me check the fulfillment from the order itself. Fulfillment details are updated. URL is there. Let's check in the Shopify side. If you take here on the 1059 order, the fulfillment is updated and the tracking details also been updated. Let's check the tracking detail. Yes. Yes, it's connecting to tracking. So this is a dummy tracking number. That's why it's showing the details here. Okay. Okay. So other than that, if the sales users wanted to see where the order is and what has happened, the history of the order, they can see it from here, what has happened and where it's gone and where it's sitting now. So once the order has been sent to Business Central, it will update the details of here where the order is sitting, and then the fulfillment details will be updated. At the same time, there will be email sending to the customer as well on the order. So furthermore, on the Shopify end, there are a few features I like to show. You can handle vouchers and gift cards in here, but you can handle transaction details. So these are the all transactions which happen inside Shopify related to the checkouts and everything. So if there's any credit card involvement is there, so those details will be updated as well. So likewise, credit card number, CV result code, error codes. If there's errors, even it will get updated. At the same time, the payments which is coming from Shopify and it will get updated on the payouts as well. So as mentioned, hope you can see that the Shopify connector is seamlessly integrating Business Central with Shopify, and it can enhance your business performance through your business journey. Thank you.
Thank you, Lumin, for having a wonderful presentation how to maximize Shopify platform to achieve rapid business growth through the integration of Business Central. If you are owner of a small and medium-sized business, having a furniture shop, maybe having food and beverage store, maybe tire manufacturing, maybe cosmetic, this is the right time to step into the implementation of right ERP, that is Business Central. I'm sure you're excited and about this feature. I'm sure you may have inquiries. So if you have inquiries or questions, please talk to us or send an email info@industryglobalgroup.com. We're happy to serve you. Until we sign up again, sign off from IG Biz Talk. Thank you. Goodbye, out to you.